What's going on YouTube? It's Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors. Bring you guys another official video. Alright guys, this video was long overdue. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to program your garage door opener if you have a B8.5 and below Audi A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, Q5, Audi A8. The list goes on. If you have the home link system in your car, which you should have, but this is solely for the B8.5 and below. On my B9 Q5, it's set up a different way. If you guys want me to do a video on how to set up the B9s, I will, but it's kind of tricky for the B8.5s and below. So I just wanted to kind of do this video just to show you guys how simple it is. That way, if you lose your garage door opener, if you damage it, you're fine. You can always utilize your vehicle. Of course, be safe. Don't leave your car outside if you have dysfunction, but your car does have to be on in order for it to work, so you really don't have to worry about someone coming into your car and pressing a button. So without further ado, here we go. Alright guys, so here we go. I'm going to show you guys how to program the garage door opener. Alright, I'm going to give you guys a snippet. I'm going to go down. And this is a B8 guys. I just have B9 shift knobs. If you're new to the channel and you watch my channel, you understand how I did all of this in my vehicle. The screen, the virtual cockpit, everything. So this is a B8. So what you want to do is you want to go right up here and you want to go to this right here. So this is going to be the home link button that I'm talking about. It's just called home link. So what you want to do is you want to get these two buttons right here. So right here, you're going to get these two buttons. Excuse my dirty fingers, man. I've been working on cars. All right, so you want to get these two buttons and you just want to hold it down. So you're going to hold down these two buttons. You see that? The light is glowing. You're going to hold it down for 20 seconds until it blinks. All right, so we're going to hold it down. These two buttons on the left and right. So now it's blinking. So now I'm going to let it go. So now what you want to do is pick which one you want. You can have 3 different ones to pick from. So I'm going to use this first one. So I'm going to hold it down. So once you hold it down and it blinks, that's just a timer, guys. That gives you 5 minutes to set up your garage door opener. If I press 1, 2, or 3, it would have blinked as well. This just means like if you're a baller or something and you got 3 garages, you can set up 3 garages if you would like, or if you have different homes that you're going to, you can pick which one that you would like. So right now, as we can see, guys, this one is blinking. So I got probably 4 minutes and 30 seconds left. So I'm going to go to the front of the car and show you guys what to do next. All right, guys. So at the front of the car, there's going to be a sensor. So my goal right now, while I have the 5 minutes to get my garage door opener, and I'm going to keep pressing it until my hazard lights blink. All right, so guys, what you want to do is you just want to just keep scanning this. Or keep pressing this, guys, until you see your hazard lights blink. So let's see if we can get it, make it go. And you just want to kind of point it towards the center of the car. So I'm going to keep doing it, guys, until the hazard lights blink. It's going to take a couple times. When the hazard lights blink, that means it's programmed. So watch me, guys. I'm just... See that, guys? It just blinked. So that blink right there is what's going to program it in the car. So what I do, come in the car right here. Since it blinked, Then I'm gonna hold this down, whatever button I want. So I'm gonna hold this down. And you see that? That's opening and closing my garage. That's how you, so simply guys, basically, you press these two buttons, you let them blink, hold it for 20 seconds, let it blink. Press one of these buttons. Once that blinks, it's gonna give you 5 minutes to set it up. You go out there, you press your garage door opener in front of your car until the hazard lights blink. Then you come back in, you hold the button down that you chose previously, and now your car, and now your garage door opener now opens with your car. Press that again, stop it, close it. Simple as that, guys. Thanks for watching. This is Bruce with Bruce Custom Motors. Peace, I'm out.